Alright, are we ready to go? Begin? Good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you to this momentous occasion. We are here to talk about Pickathon. We are here because of Milind and Anjita. We are here, of course, to talk about the partnership between Glenmark, Bank of Baroda, and the creator of Pickathon. And we have Ankita Kuwar, the founder of Invincible Women. And we are going to also invite Dr. Nikita V. Rao, Deputy General Manager, Sustainability, Ethics and ESG, Bank of Baroda, and Mr. Ravindra Rai, Managing Director and CEO of Vodka Limited. Time because I know we are waiting to hear from the man himself. So Milind, over to you. You have to do what is best. Talk about Pickathon, talk about this edition of JBG Invincible Women's Run and our partnership with
Glenmark also?
Glenmark also, yes. But we have a great initiative with the Vodka team here. So
right.
We will go to that a little later.
Thank you so much.
Let's
So, good afternoon everyone. And it's a great pleasure for me to be here at Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda has always been very, very supportive of good causes. And to just talk about Pickathon for a bit, for those who don't know, it was started in 2012. Very quickly it became the country's biggest women's run. Thousands and thousands of women across the country started running because of Pickathon. There were distances from 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, up to the half marathon. And it was across almost 80 cities in the country. This is pre-pandemic. Now we're very, very excited that we're doing the first edition after the pandemic on the 15th of December. And all the women in Bombay, I think, are very, very excited. We have about 5,000 women participating on 15th of December across these three distances, 3, 5 and 10 kilometers. And we also have, of course, Invincible Women Run. Invincible Women's Run was started last year by Ankita Kuwar. And the special thing about the Invincible Women's Run is that it's ultra distances. So it's also the 3, 5 and 10 kilometer, but also the 50 kilometers, 75 kilometer and 100 kilometers. And this is only for women. So there are, of course, a lot of 100-kilometer events across the country now, but there is nothing that is only and purely for women. So the special thing is that with the Pickathon and Invincible Women, any woman can start with 3 kilometers, which is a very small distance, very easy for anybody at any age to attempt, and then gradually work their way up to even 100 kilometers if they so want. In fact, the participants of the 100-kilometer distance on the 15th has doubled from last year. The participation of the 50 kilometers has tripled from last year. So that's very exciting just to know that these women who started with Pickathon with 3 kilometers and 5 kilometers are now attempting 50 kilometers and 100 kilometers. So it just goes to show that we feel that having a healthy lifestyle or becoming fit is something very difficult. But I know that you're all aware that it is most difficult for women because of the kind of roles that are expected from them. Homemakers, taking care of the children, also having jobs, also having businesses, but still finding time to train themselves, to explore their potential, no matter what their dream is. 100 kilometers of running is a fantastic dream. And there are so many women today who are attempting that. So I'd just like to thank Bank of Baroda for their support, and hopefully we'll have a greater relationship in the future. Thank you very much. Well, the special thing about partners for Pickathon, I just want to point out, right from the beginning, you know, when we went to look for partners for a women's run, we always got this reasoning from corporates, a lot of corporates who said that women are not our market. You know, they don't take decisions. And we were very surprised, like we even went to phone companies, and phone companies said that women don't buy phones. So it was very strange for us to think that, okay, then who would support something like this? Who would support a cause like this when it was about women? So it takes a very special kind of partner, right, who will say that, okay, even though we're here for everybody, we want to make a special effort to focus on women. We want to do that because otherwise women are not going to be included, or women are not going to feel that this space is for them. So I'm really again thankful to brands like, and proud of them, brands like La Shield and Bank of Baroda, to really stand by what they believe in. And they believe in women empowerment, and they believe that any nation, if it wants to be great, must empower its women. And not only with physical and mental health, but also financial wellness. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now we have Ankita, who will of course talking to us, the founder of
Sonia, and thank you everybody for being here today. A big thanks to Bank of Baroda for supporting us in this amazing cause and event. The idea behind Invincible Women started, well, actually me realizing my power myself. And I started my journey with Pinkathon about 10 years ago, and I kind of became an ultra runner. I realized my power more and more, and while doing so I realized, there are so many women out there who started their journey with Pinkathon. Then why don't we explore it a little bit more? Why don't we give a platform where they can actually realize what they can do? Running 3 kilometers to 21 kilometers is fine. And then you do a marathon. That's okay. What do you do after that? You want to do more? Then why not provide a platform for the women who actually want to do more? So we started with 50 kilometers, 75 and 100. And we saw this amazing support from everybody. All the women coming out, the women community of Pinkathon, coming out to support each other in running, achieving something so amazing. So 50 kilometers is an ultra distance, and it is not easy, but we give a safe environment to everybody. It's a controlled environment. It is not up in the hills, somewhere in the mountain, that you don't know whether you're going to be lost or if there's going to be somebody there to support you or not. But here we are in the middle of the city. We have a safe distance. We have people to support you, to cheer you. We have physios. We have amazing food support. So everything is there for you to just come and explore. How much can you push yourself? How much can you go ahead in your journey of ultra? So that is all about Invincible Women, and I see this, like Milind already mentioned, that the participation has increased tremendously from last year to this year. So that only shows how women want to do more in every field. You see that we have businesses, women have amazing, they have jobs, they have children, they have homes to take care of, but they still do everything, and everything they do, they excel at it. And so I really want to thank Bank of Baroda and La Shield for coming out and supporting the women in exploring their strength even more. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Geeta, but I'm going to just get you to, which brings me to invite Nikita ma'am, our very, very esteemed guest, to say a few words.
Good evening everyone, our distinguished guest Milindji and Ankita, who I already have started deriving some energy from. My colleague, senior colleague Mr. Ravindra Rai from Broadcast, all my media friends. First of all, a very warm welcome to Bank of Baroda, and it really gives me a deep sense of pride to be associated with an organization which is associating with a great cause like Pinkathon. So, yeah, thank you.
Let's all clap for that, please.
So if I heard it correctly, Milanji, you told that you started this Pinkathon in 2012, right? That's exactly 12 years ago. And just look at the coincidence, the date today is 12/12. So I think, so 12 I think is an auspicious date, an auspicious number is what I believe. Pinkathon, when I was sort of thinking about it, I think for me this is not just a run. For Bank of Baroda, we believe that Pinkathon is more than a run. It's a movement which empowers the women and it empowers the society at large, because ultimately it is always said that you empower one woman and she empowers in turn many lives, many souls around her. So I think, it's really great to know that an initiative of this kind is being taken by our dear Milanji and Ankita ji, and we from Bank of Baroda are getting associated with this. So it's really a matter of pride. Now coming to, why and what is the resonance of our association with Pinkathon. So of course, one bit is fine, as an organization we associate, we do some sponsorship, etc. But I think the intention is deeper. So how is it deeper? There is a greater resonance where we, just like you want to empower women with overall well-being and fitness, I think the same philosophy is there in the DNA of Bank of Baroda, where we also empower the women, whether it's our employees, our customers, not just with the physical wellness or well-being, but physical, emotional and financial well-being. So I think it's a great fit. Just to give you some examples, we talk about inclusion. So you can, I can vouch from my own experience. If you all would have gathered by now, I am 100% blind by birth. I joined bank 15 years ago just as a young management graduate. And see today, bank has recognized my abilities and given me the chance to rise up to the ladder, and I'm heading the sustainability department as a deputy general manager. And here, I also resonate with Pinkathon. I was told and I was very glad to know that I think amongst the various categories, you also have a category for differently abled women, right, Ankita? So thank you so much for that inclusivity. So with this, I would also like to highlight some of the initiatives that Bank of Baroda takes for its women employees. Obviously, employees are general, but more specifically for the women employees, and then for the women customers. So around 27% of our workforce comprise of the Mahila Shakti, the women employees. So we have close to about 19,000 women at different levels and including the leadership levels also. We have lot of initiatives, for the women, like we have the Employee Assistance Program, which ensures the mental, physical, emotional well-being of all the employees, including the women. We also celebrate, and Milanji, you'll be very happy to know this, but we also celebrate the sports in a big way at Bank of Baroda. So we have the annual sports day. We have the entire November month, which is celebrated as a wellness month. And every day morning, we have yoga classes where thousands of our employees are hooked onto their mobile screens and they do the asanas. So, we have a lot of these interventions. Coming to the financial bit, now for our women customers or prospective customers, we also keep coming out with various schemes, various account products. So the recent ones, we have launched two very interesting products in the MSME space, which is also the thrust of the government. So we have the Mahila Swavalamban scheme, which is given to the MSME entrepreneur. It's a loan which is given at attractive rate of interest, and it's also backed by the guarantee. And at the same time, we have the digital or the smart OD facility, which is a quick short-term working capital requirement, is what we fulfill. So, you know, we always, at the bank, we always recognize the power of the women and our responsibilities to empower the women. So, with this, thank you so much, Milinji, Ankita Ji, and the media friends for being here, and this association, I'm sure, will continue.
Thank you, Nikita. Angita, come with me. Yes.
स्वप्नील सेंटर मध्ये घे.
I hope you're all mentally being prepared for the push-ups after this.
We can't ensure because nobody knows the future. Like, we can only try, we can give the best opportunity, and it's up to people to take advantage of it. So we try to make, so for example, in Pickathon, like we mentioned earlier, we try to cover every single excuse or reason a woman might have to not come for the event. Like suppose she just has a newborn baby, we say you bring the baby, carry the baby in a harness and walk with the baby. If there's women with visual impairment, we offer them guides who can walk or run with them, and we have many participants like that. So if the woman feels that she's uncomfortable in a sari, we say wear the sari and come, and we have special classes to teach women how to run in saris. So every single aspect that we can think of, we did an event called Grandmother's 10K. It's called the Grandmother's 10K because normally what happens after the age of 40 or 50, people think now it's, time ho gaya abhi. But we have the Grandmother's 10K to show कि ये दादियाँ और नानियाँ ये भी 10 किलोमीटर दौड़ रही हैं. Just to remove the obstacles from the mindset. So this way, we try to not ensure, but we try to make a situation in which our success rate will be close to 100%.
It's a natural health. Okay then, should we do the countdown? 5, 4,
3
2, 1, and here we go. And that's the tiara song.
मोबाइल
Yeah, give it to me.
कोट
Can we have you all looking right in the front for the cameras, please? And Mr. Rai is now going to present the card, the first card, to Ankita, founder of the Ministry of Women's. Ankita, I'm sure you're ready to shop. Now she doesn't have to use your card anymore. Now she has the women's card. Okay. Can we have the lights on? The lights on, please.
तो स्ट्रेट लीड
थैंक यू. आज का ये जो इवेंट है वो मल्टी प्रॉन्ग्ड इवेंट है. 2-3 मकसद है इसमें. एक ऑफ कोर्स पिंकाथॉन जो भारत का सबसे बड़ा महिलाओं के लिए रन है, दौड़ है, वो वापस आ गया है पैंडेमिक के बाद. 15 दिसंबर को होने जा रहा है पिंकाथॉन और इनविंसिबल वुमेंस रन. उसमें डिस्टेंसेस है 3 किलोमीटर से लेके 100 किलोमीटर्स तक महिलाओं के लिए. और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा is supporting this event, so we're very happy about that. And another thing is that there is a launch of a very special product today, which is Bank of Baroda Tiara card. They are a credit card, which is a card only for women. And I think the kind of facilities that that card is offering is going to really help women to find their financial wellness.
पिंकथॉन से बात करूँ तो आपके टी-शर्ट
सबसे चैलेंजिंग होता है जब फिटनेस की बात की जाए या हेल्थ की बात की जाए, वो अपना माइंडसेट होता है. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं इसमें वक्त ज़्यादा लगता है तो हम कैसे करें, नहीं इसमें पैसे लगते हैं कैसे करेंगे. बहुत सारे एक्सक्यूज़ेस होते हैं, नहीं मेरे छोटे बच्चे हैं, नहीं मेरी बूढ़ी माँ है, नहीं मेरे ये है, मेरा वो है, मेरा ऐसा है वैसा है. सो वी ट्राई कि हम कोशिश करते हैं कि ये जो सारी एक्सक्यूज़ेस हैं उनको हम मन से निकाल दें. जैसे कि किसी का छोटा बच्चा है, हम बोलते हैं उनको लेके आइए. एक कम्युनिटी है पूरी हमारी जो छोटे बच्चों को लेकर आती है, हार्नेसेस में पहन के उनके साथ चलती हैं. तो कोई भी आपका एक्सक्यूज़ हो, नहीं मैं तो शॉर्ट्स नहीं पहन सकती या टाइट्स नहीं पहन सकती, मैं सिर्फ साड़ी पहनती हूँ, तो आके साड़ी में दौड़ सकती है. बहुत सारी महिलाएं जो आती हैं वो साड़ी में भी दौड़ती हैं, सलवार कमीज़ में दौड़ती हैं, हिजाब में दौड़ती हैं. इनफैक्ट एक महिला है जो 75 किलोमीटर दौड़ने वाली है नवारी साड़ी में. तो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. जैसे ग्रैंड मदर्स 10K, मतलब म्हणजे व्हाट इज़ ग्रैंड मदर, आजी नहीं हिंदी, दादी नानी का 10 किलोमीटर रन, वो भी हमने स्टार्ट किया है दिखाने के लिए कि जो भी एज हो, 50 हो, 60 हो, 70 हो, 80 हो, आप फिर भी आप अपनी जर्नी हेल्थ और फिटनेस की शुरू कर सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट ये जो 100 किलोमीटर्स की दौड़ है उसमें रिले भी है कि 4 महिलाएं भाग ले सकती हैं. हर महिला 25-25 किलोमीटर करेंगी. उसमें भी जो टीम्स हैं उनमें 60-70 साल की औरतें भी भाग ले रही हैं. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे मैसेजेस हैं पिंकथॉन में कि ऐसी कोई महिला नहीं है जो इसमें भाग नहीं ले सकती. ऐसा कोई कारण नहीं है कि आप अपने स्वास्थ्य की रक्षा नहीं कर सकते. और ये भी दिखाना हम चाहते हैं कि ये जो महिलाएं हैं वो सिर्फ हाउसवाइफ्स नहीं, लेकिन हाउसवाइफ्स बहुत है, कॉरपोरेट में काम करती हैं, बिजनेसेस हैं अपने अपने, फिर भी वो उनके बच्चे भी हैं, फैमिलीज़ भी हैं, सब कुछ है, नॉर्मल है, लेकिन वो फिर भी हम अपने लिए वो टाइम निकाल सकती हैं और वो उसके लिए वो कोशिश करती हैं.
यहाँ पर इनविजिबल वुमेन्स का भी नाम मेंशन है, उनके लिए किस तरीके का फैसिलिटीज होते हैं?
क्या इनविंसिबल? तो इनविंसिबल वुमेन्स रन एक ऐसी कैटेगरी है जो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस कैटेगरी है. जैसे कि पिंकथॉन में बहुत सारी महिलाएं ने शुरुआत की 3 किलोमीटर दौड़ के साथ. तो इनविंसिबल वुमेन में 50 किलोमीटर से शुरुआत होती है डिस्टेंस, 50 किलोमीटर, 75 किलोमीटर और 100 किलोमीटर. तो वो तो स्पेशल डिस्टेंस है, हर कोई तो कर नहीं सकता, उसके लिए बहुत प्रिपरेशन की ज़रूरत होती है. लेकिन जो महिलाओं ने पिंकथॉन से ही 3 किलोमीटर में शुरुआत की, वो अभी 100 किलोमीटर दौड़ रही हैं. तो जब हम शुरुआत करते हैं, जब मैंने कहा कि माइंडसेट बदलने की ज़रूरत है, पहले हमको लगता है कि 3 किलोमीटर भी बहुत है, आपको भी लगता होगा, ठीक है लगता होगा. तो लेकिन 100 मीटर से अगर शुरुआत करेंगे, 100 मीटर, 200 मीटर, तो हम थोड़ी देर के बाद हम 500 मीटर भी कर सकते हैं, 1 किलोमीटर भी कर सकते हैं. अगर हम कोशिश जारी रखेंगे तो 3 किलोमीटर से अगर शुरुआत करेंगे तो 100 किलोमीटर तक भी हम जा सकते हैं.
जो महिलाएं देख नहीं सकती है,
जी,
वो भी इसमें रन करने वाली, किस तरह रन करने वाली जरूर कैसे बताएं?
तो ये जो हम पैरालंपिक्स में भी देखते हैं कि जो विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड लोग हैं वो आसानी से रन कर सकते हैं और बहुत तेज़ रन कर सकते हैं, बहुत तेज़ रन कर सकते हैं. सिर्फ उनको एक गाइड की ज़रूरत होती है. तो गाइड ऐसे होते हैं कि वो हाथ पकड़ के दौड़ते हैं या एक रस्सी पकड़ के दौड़ते हैं और उनका एक पार्टनरशिप बन जाता है. तो वो बहुत मतलब आप कल्पना नहीं करते हैं कि कितनी तेज़ी से वो दौड़ सकते हैं जो 100% ब्लाइंड है. तो हमारे पिंकथॉन में भी बहुत सारी महिलाएं आती हैं और दौड़ती हैं और हम उनको गाइड्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. और निकिता मैम भी आने वाली हैं और दौड़ेंगी, 3 किलोमीटर करेंगी, लेकिन फुल मैराथन भी करती हैं विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड लोग.
सर, महिलाओं के मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए किस तरीके से इनिशिएटिव आप लेते हैं, क्योंकि कई लोग बहुत ट्रॉमा देख के आते हैं, अपनी लाइफ में बहुत एंग्जाइटी होती है,
जी,
फिर लोगों को ऑन फील, तो
जी,
इसके लिए कोई स्पेशल इनिशिएटिव?
तो एक तो साइंटिफिकली जो प्रूवन बात है कि जो एक्सरसाइज करते हैं लोग, जो अपने ऊपर ध्यान देते हैं, अपने सेहत के ऊपर, दे आर एबल टू डील विद स्ट्रेस अ लिटिल बेटर. वो स्ट्रेस का सामना थोड़ा अच्छा कर सकते हैं। और एक जो बात लोग नहीं समझते, क्योंकि मुझे भी ये सवाल पूछा गया था पहले कि औरतों को एक्सरसाइज की क्या ज़रूरत है, वो तो दिन भर एक्सरसाइज ही करती रहती है, बच्चों के पीछे दौड़ो, खाना पकाओ, डब्बा बनाओ, फिर जॉब पे जाओ, फिर ये करो, कितना एक्टिव रहती हैं महिलाएं। तो एक बात समझने की ज़रूरत है कि जो एक्टिविटीज़ हम बाहर की दुनिया के लिए करते हैं, और बाहर की दुनिया के मतलब अपने बच्चे भी है, अपने से बाहर, अपने शोहर या अपना बिजनेस या अपना जॉब, सब अपने से बाहर है। जो हम एक्टिविटी वो सब चीज़ों के लिए करते हैं, उससे स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है। और जो एक्टिविटीज़ हम अपने लिए करते हैं, चाहे वो एक्सरसाइज हो, कोई भी एक्सरसाइज हो, योगा हो, स्विमिंग हो, वॉकिंग हो, रनिंग हो, उससे स्ट्रेस कम हो जाता है। तो ये समझने की ज़रूरत है कि जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ हम करते हैं जॉब के लिए, फैमिली के लिए, उससे स्ट्रेस थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ता है, स्ट्रेस मिलता है। और एक्सरसाइज जब हम करते हैं वो स्ट्रेस कम हो जाता है।
Mr. Ryan, can you talk about the Tiara card launch?
Hackathon was a great platform for us to launch, Tiara. Tiara एक ऐसा कार्ड है जो महिला के लिए, ओनली महिला के लिए है। वो बहुत से लोगों ने इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं था, बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट ओनली अबाउट जस्ट हैविंग अ कार्ड। एक हम जब इसे डिज़ाइन कर रहे थे, इट्स वेरी इमोशनल। अब अगर आप डिज़ाइन भी देखोगे तो एक हाथ में लैपटॉप है, एक हाथ में उसका पर्स है। इट्स लाइक अ रियल वर्किंग वुमन हु इज़ वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर हर सेल्फ। ये सब देख के हमने डिज़ाइन किया है। नॉट ओनली दैट, इसका वन ऑफ द मेन थिंग इज़ अबाउट हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस। इस पर हर साल आपको एक हेल्थ का पैकेज मिलेगा, वे यू कैन हैव अ फ्री ब्लड टेस्ट, मैमोग्राफी and pap smear test and many other tests. These are the few tests where women ignore themselves. ज़्यादातर इसको क्यों डिज़ाइन किया गया था, क्योंकि जब भी हम हमारे सबके साथ महिलाओं का टच बाय वुमेन एट वन पॉइंट इन टाइम, मे बी मदर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, वाइफ, विद वट एवर रिलेशनशिप। बट इसमें क्या होता है, सब अपने आप को पीछे डालते हैं, सब लोगों को आगे डालते हैं। सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न व्हाट वी वांटेड टू डू। वी वॉन्टेड वुमेन टू पुट देमसेल्स अहेड ऑफ अदर्स। अपना हेल्थ को, जब भी आप फ्लाइट में जाते हो क्या बोलते हैं, whenever the oxygen mask comes down, put the mask to yourself and then take care of others. This is the concept what we want to do. आप अगर आपके हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग के बारे में आप सोचेंगे तो सबके केयर कर सकेंगे। दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स।
किस तरीके से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं?
तो हमारा ऑनलाइन भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ऑन अ वेबसाइट एंड यू कैन डू इट। इवन फिजिकली भी कर सकते हैं। तो डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट। आप वेबसाइट कर सकते हैं।
ओके, सो अंकिता मैम, आपसे जानना चाहूँगी फर्स्टली एज अ वुमन कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है पूरे टीम को लेकर चलना। और मैंने जैसे कि पेजेस देखे, काफ़ी इंजॉय करते हैं वो आप हर एक जनरेशन के साथ में। सो प्लीज शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस फॉर दैट।
ओके, सो आई लिव इन अ होम जहाँ पे हम 3 generations रहते हैं, माई हस्बैंड, मी एंड माई मदर इन लॉ। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट। घर पे ही ऐसा है, माहौल ही ऐसा है। तो मैं बड़ी भी ऐसे ही हुई हूँ सबके साथ मिलके। सो मैंने हमेशा से देखा है कि महिलाएं जो है, अभी जैसे हमने अभी बात की है, तो हमेशा दूसरों को आगे रखती है, फैमिली मेम्बर्स को आगे रखती है। सो पिंकाथॉन ऐसा है एक प्लेटफॉर्म जो आपको एक्चुअली में एक चांस देता है कि आप अपने लिए कुछ करें, पहले दूसरों को आगे रखने से पहले खुद के लिए कुछ करें। और when you do that, the moment you prioritize yourself, so you actually understand yourself better and you empower yourself that way. And I think that's why this card is also, kind of resonates with Pinkathon and us together as a woman. I feel this is a great initiative by Bank of Baroda. And I'm happy that you gave me the first card. Thank you so much. And like you asked, to get the team along and travel together and hold a place, whether it is in business or your job. I think it is for everybody, all women, it's the same, no? Even for you, it will be the same. You have responsibilities at home, you have responsibilities in your job. So it is all about balancing. And balance आप कैसे करते हो? पहले खुद को हेल्थी रखो, है ना? जब आप खुद को हेल्थी रखते हो तो आप फिजिकली, मेंटली, इमोशनली आप रहते हो ऐसे बैलेंस कि आप अपने फाइनेंस को भी हैंडल कर सकते हो खुद। तो वही है। थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Done?